If you're noticing your air conditioner's condenser unit isn't cooling right, a refrigerant leak is probably the culprit, and fixing it fast is key. So, here's the lowdown on handling refrigerant leaks in your condenser unit. First, keep an eye out for signs like your AC running longer than usual or strange hissing noises near the outside unit. You can try spraying a soap and water mix on the coils and pipes. Bubbles mean there's a leak. But honestly, detecting leaks professionally with a leak detector or dye test is way more reliable and safer. Once you know where the leak is, don't just patch it yourself unless you're super confident. Call a pro to repair it properly so it doesn't come back. After fixing the leak, the system needs to be recharged with the correct type and amount of refrigerant. Too little or too much messes up your AC's performance. Always use certified refrigerants and make sure the technician follows environmental rules because releasing refrigerant into the air is bad news. Keep your system clean and check for leaks every year, especially before summer hits hard, to avoid costly repairs later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with refrigerant leaks is ignoring the signs, which leads to bigger damage and higher energy bills. Fix this by paying attention to any drop in cooling power or weird noises. Another common issue is DIY repairs without proper tools or knowledge, which can cause more leaks or contaminate the system. Always get a licensed HVAC technician to handle repairs. Lastly, many folks forget to recharge the refrigerant correctly after fixing a leak, either undercharging or overcharging, which harms efficiency and lifespan. Make sure the recharge follows the manufacturer's specs exactly. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot for finding trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to HVAC repairs and more. If you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with homeowners looking for real pros to tackle big home projects like refrigerant leak fixes.